Howdy folks, check out this Smart View wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For those who don't know, this is a fancy expensive original Samsung case. This phone case costs about 5 times more than your average phone case. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Look at all this nice multi-layered packaging. This by itself should be worth like a simple phone case. Okay, so the case feels nice and hard. It has this pocket for some card, maybe your library card or a work tag. Because now in the age of NFC, who still hangs around with physical cards? But still this pocket seemed handy. Sliding the phone into the case is simple, and it fits snugly. The case magic starts to work right away. It unlocks and locks your phone as you open and close it. Additionally, when closed, the display image adjusts to fit the rectangular opening. Pretty cool, I'd say. I noticed that if you reboot your phone, you will need to take it out of the case and put it back in for it to work. The wireless charging works fine, but this case is not without flaws. When the case material is new, it can be pretty stiff, so it has this problem that it doesn't stay closed, especially if you have thick glass screen protector. They should have added some magnet or something here to keep it closed. After a while of using this case and as the material become less stiff and more elastic, it closes a little better, but if it would stay closed even when turned around, it could have been better. Overall, it is a cool case, and I will keep using it, but it could have been better. Stay in school.